The merchant vessel Manitoulin is a modern Great Lakes freighter built for efficiency. When assembled, more on that later, in 2015, she was the first new river-class self-unloader on the Great Lakes in 40 years. River-class is a type of vessel that can traverse through the Welland Canal system into the St. Lawrence River, i.e. less than 728 feet long and 78 feet wide. At the Soo Locks, the MacArthur lock has similar dimensions at a maximum length of 730 feet and 75 feet in width, making the Manitoulin just 3 feet too wide to fit into the MacArthur. So, she uses the larger Poe lock. She's a bit of a Frankenstein's monster. Her stern section was originally from a Danish chemical tanker built in 1991, which was welded to a newly constructed cargo section, creating the Manitoulin we know today, starting in 2015. The self-unloader is mounted aft, out in the open for all to see, just like this tour boat. There are 3 companies offering Soo Locks Boat Tours, 2 in Sault Ste Marie, Michigan, as well as 1 on the Ontario side. If there's a freighter around while the tour's on, they'll usually get up close and personal. At 664 feet and a capacity of 27,550 tons, she can carry just a bit more cargo than the classic freighters like the Edmund Fitzgerald while being 65 feet shorter. This is mostly thanks to stacking the wheelhouse and living accommodations on top of the engine room, which maximizes cargo space. Rand Logistics owns Lower Lake Towing among other companies, and they're unique in that they have both American and Canadian flagged vessels. The Manitoulin is Canadian flagged, named after Manitoulin Island, which is the world's largest freshwater island, located in the northern region of Lake Huron.